Hello and welcome to Plants with Andrew. This is a series I'm going to make and share with you everything that I've learned about plants as I learn them. I'm a complete beginner and I just got out of the big city and I'm going to find some dirt and plant things in it and along the way maybe learn something to share with you. So let's start this journey with a little tour of my... They may look disgusting, but it's just paper. And look at all these babies. Ooh. Oh. Radish. Nom 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 nom. Can we see? Can we see? Just about the only thing that'll grow in winter here. Fava beans. Oh. Right there. You see? China jade. Classic Chinese radish. Possibly the world's largest green bean. Amazing. Oh, more babies. Look at those babies. Toilet paper rolls. Ooh. This is the wedge greenhouse with convenient handle. Oh, and look at what's inside. Kale. Lots of kale, 'cause it's winter. Peekaboo. Micro citrus. Boom, boom, boom. And here is the cat prison, catio. It's looking a little rough and ready. And hiding deep within the closet, the gates of hell. Ah! This is where the babies are grown. Look at all the babies. Ah! Delicious.